Today I want to chat about something that can make a real difference in your teen's life: summer jobs. So, why should your teen consider getting a summer job? Let me break it down. Summer jobs and internships allow teens to explore different career paths. Whether they are into sales or tutoring or interning at a local business, they'll gain insights into what they enjoy and where their talents lie. Teens learn valuable financial skills, budgeting, managing money, and saving. Plus, that first paycheck is like a badge of achievement. Balancing work, school, and other activities teaches teens how to manage their time effectively. Deadlines? They have got this. Working with supervisors, customers, and colleagues hones their communication abilities. They learn to express themselves confidently and respectfully. Values like teamwork, respect, and responsibility are instilled in the workplace. Plus, earning their keep boosts self esteem. When your teen looks for a summer job, remember these steps. Look for a job that aligns with their interest and skills. If they are great communicators, customer service roles might be perfect. A summer job should accommodate their schedule. After all, they might want to take summer classes or enjoy family vacations. Overscheduling leads to burnout. Encourage them to find a healthy balance between work, fun, and other commitments. So, parents, encourage your teens to dive into the world of summer jobs. It's not just about earning cash, it's about building character, gaining experience, and having a blast. Remember, folks, summer jobs are like sunblock for life, protective and essential.